cars. So these cars are just on display. We did well at the Concours this year, which was very nice. An E-type restoration, just a half restoration, engine bay rebuild. We've taken that project on from another shop just to finish it and get it on the road. Then we move across to a Series 2 coupe that had been restored elsewhere as well. We're having to re-restore the body because it wasn't done well and it wasn't done on a jig. So we've straightened the car up and we're re-restoring the car. So that's quite interesting to have a look at. Followed by another V12 E-type here that's going through. It came in for a repaint, then we discovered that the frames were bent and we're ending up pretty much restoring that car now, partially restoring. Another one that many club members probably know is Primrose here, the yellow Series 2, 2+2. Sadly, it was pranged and we've decided to do a front half restoration on the car, which we're most of the way through the project, other than, you know, fixing up this engine bay firewall area and the frames. This Series 2 I've just been taking care of. It's been restored a long time ago. It's just for a client that we just hold the car for him while he lives overseas. We've got this Daimler behind everyone here. That's an engine bay restoration. So the son, the owner now, it was a deceased estate. He inherited the car from his father, his late father, and we restored the engine bay essentially for him, rebuilding the engine, the transmission, the driveline and the brakes. But the car itself has been just kept nice. In the showroom, we've got the Mark II Coombs inspired GT that we've freshly finished. We had that at the Nationals for display. That car has got everything in it that you could possibly imagine, above and beyond anything Jaguar probably ever dreamt of in their day as well. And it's a proper GT, that car. Next to it is XK8 809 continuation, so 2020 built, considered genuine D. And next to that's one of our C-type recreations that we have been taking care of. And that's pretty much the shop. We've got a little MG-C up on the hoist that we're restoring for a guy, a 6-cylinder. It's a bit unique. And below that's an Aston Martin DB, oh no, sorry, not a DB, an AMV8 X-Pack. And in the shipping container is another AMV8 that's just come in for restoration. So I thought there might be some interest to have a look at that. I know it's not a Jag, but it's still out there. So that's pretty much what's in the shop. If you've got any questions, happy to answer any. More than welcome to just to look around and enjoy yourself. Thanks for coming. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
We just would like to thank Nick and Magda and Valentina for having us here today, and for also being very, very involved with us with the National Rally. As I mentioned before, Nick was a major sponsor for the National Rally, a diamond sponsor in fact, and we were very, very pleased to be able to have you support the rally in such a wonderful way. Yeah. I'd like to call on Mike Collett, the National Rally Director, to make a little presentation to you, Nick, on behalf of the Jaguar Drivers Club.
Thank you.
Would you like to do that?
Yes.
Please, Mike.
With great pleasure.
Wow.
Nick, having diamond sponsors on board for the rally just made all the difference.
Yep.
It made an enormous difference to the outcome, and we're very much indebted to Magda and to Nick for doing that. It allowed us to do a lot of things, yep, and one of which was to commission an original painting, which I know you've seen, and by internationally renowned motorsport artist Greg McNeil.
Yes.
And that was won by one of our members who was very, very happy to receive it. But
yeah, great.
The artist actually produced a print,
okay,
which has the wording on it, which the original, of course, didn't.
Yes.
And he signed it for us, and as a small gesture of our appreciation, we'd like to present that to you.
Oh, wow, thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Oh, it's wonderful.
We know behind every good man is a very, very good woman.
Yes,
and
indeed.
Magda supports us and the club. And
I'm Latina.
Behind every good mum and dad is a lovely little Valentina.
Yes.
So
right,
Valentina,
sweetie.
That's for you, sweetie.
Oh, well, look at that. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you, Maureen. Thank you. That's great. You know, I wanted to order this picture actually from the website, so.
Well, you don't have to.
I don't have to. I know where it's going to go as well, so thank you very much. That's amazing.
Oh, good.
That's
well,
great.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh, it's awesome.
And thanks everybody for coming along today. It's such a pleasure to see all the wonderful work that Nick does in his very pristine workshop.
Yes,
And
that is.
great to see all of you. Some of you I haven't seen for a long time, but it's lovely to see all
Great,
of you
thanks,
here.
Maureen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.